police officer right here. Come on. Alright, YouTube. Oh man, that's a nice looking ride. Check it out. That's nice right there. Supposed to be going to the car show they having here in Laurel today. Hopefully we can make it. But man, let me tell you. Thank you. Yeah, that was a nice car. So man, let me tell you. So your boy had a flat tire. He had a flat tire. So I'm going to get it fixed. So pray that I make it there. Brother had to put on a cross today. Remember where I came from, man. So this is going to be an adventurous ride. Hopefully I can get there. I think I can. There's a plug in it, and the plug that's in it lasted from here to DC, so it should last from here to Alexandria, Virginia. I got the MapQuest going, or the Google Maps going. Google Maps going, and hopefully it'll get me there. So a lot of police out here. Your boy had to ride illegal today, unfortunately, because I got to get there before this air comes up my back tire. So let's hope I make it. I'm gonna bring you along on the journey with me, of course. So let's get it. Whoa, he ran a red light. That's what you gotta look out for right there. He got tired of waiting, so he ran the red light. Thought he was gonna hit me. Oh man, this is bad. I already have a bad tire. I just don't need to pick up anything else. It's saying it's going to take me an hour to go 22 miles. And you talking about crazy? That's crazy. And here's the bad thing. Your boy changed his brakes. I forgot to really test them. So they getting a test today. Sometimes cars get a little mad and pull over because they don't want you to go on the side. I'm trying to go get a new tire, people. So I apologize for this. But hey, I'm not lane splitting. I'm just going up the shoulder. All right, it's putting me there at 450. It looks like the accident, whatever it is like right here. There's a police officer right there. Bad accident. Alright, let's get it. People on the other side just rubbernecking. Alright, just dropped to 49 minutes. Perfect, let's go! Man, that's how the parkway used to be back in the day. made it. Even though the car almost took my head off back there. Yeah, the tire held up pretty good. It looks like it's been rolling on the letters though. Alright, let's go inside. Here's our man. How's it going?
Can you ride it by here for me?
You want me to ride it right here? Oh, okay. You need the tires, don't you?
Where tire?
In the car.
Ride it by first.
Oh, okay. Right here?
Right there. Take the phone off and get the tire. Let's get the bike.
I appreciate this. You have no idea.
I know the idea. I know what you're feeling.
Huh?
I know what you're feeling.
Yeah, you know, pain. Pain. Alright, man. We made it to the shop safely. So, right now, my man's fixing my tire for me. So, see, my man cutting up right here. He's about to do the bike for me, you know what I mean? He took me the last minute, so I really appreciate that. So that's my man, right? So yeah, y'all, your boy just gonna wait on the tire. When I get this new tire, boy, I'm gonna be ready to cut up. Your boy happy, man. So anyway, stay tuned when I get that bike done. So I'm changing my cush drive, as well as the, I'm getting the 90-degree, you know, thing you put the air in the tire. I'll put that on the screen. I can't think right now. I'm a little excited. You know what I'm saying? Sweating a little bit. So anyway, stay tuned for when we get the bike moving. Check it out. Check that out. Change my cush drives as well, man. Man, this is something I wish I knew how to do, is take the tires off. But your boy don't know how to do that. Check it out. Check them out. Look at all the bikes around here, man. Got some old school BMWs. Now we're at a shop, so these bikes, I don't know if they're running or not. There are all kind of bikes out here. It's a nice looking BMW back there. But from my understanding, he does a lot of tire business. Why? Because he's reasonable. I was looking at that swing arm. But it's 2-piece, so I want a 1-piece. Alright, stay tuned. Check that out. Bikes in the air. Alright, y'all. We suspended from the rafters still. But hey, your boy got 2 tires. You gotta put the calipers back on. So, as you know, the boy going with the Road 6s. The boy going with the Power 6s. I did upgrade the sides in the rear. So that's the fat tire in the rear. So I can't wait to see how this drives, man. Stay tuned. Alright, there go the old tires. Whenever you do cemented letters, yeah, they don't come off the tire unless I probably heat them up, pour them off. I got some more at the crib, so yeah, say bye to the tires. That was the plug. Yeah, Miguel patched it up pretty well. Alright, we about ready to roll, man. Bike is back together. Man got it hooked up for us. So yeah, man, your boy ready to roll now. So now we gotta break in these new tires. It's a machine shop, so they do all kind of work here. He said my chain was a little too tight, so he's gonna adjust that for me real quick. And then we're gonna be up out of here. Yeah, man, this has been an adventure, you know what I'm saying? This has been something I wasn't really expecting right now. I was gonna do my tires at the end of the season, but oh well. So now I gotta go home. I still gotta change my oil. once I change my oil, my bike's gonna pretty much be done, because I've already done, like I mentioned before, the plugs, brake pads, and he's doing the chain. I might clean that off, you know, clean that up a little bit, even though I just did it, so it's still sticky, pretty clean. So, but anyway, yeah, man, we about to get back on twos and do some riding. I'm gonna let you know how the tires feel. It's gonna last, but as you can see, my baby's ready. It's back in stride again. Yes, sir. Yeah, they told me it's gonna be higher, and it's definitely higher. We down here in Northern Virginia. It's beautiful out here. If you can look down, you can see the restaurant. You can see the water back here. All right, this is the place where I ate. Man, I cleaned that plate. Your brother was hungry. All right, so I'm about to get up out of here. And as you can see, fellas, yeah, there's a lot of eye candy around. You know, so that's Northern VA, DC area for you. That's what it is. But our next stop, we can hit a car night in Laurel. So let's get Platinum started and we're gonna get up out of here. Yeah, all types of parks and everything over here. Check it out. Simply beautiful, man. Got your families walking down here. DC setting. Check it out. Man, I really wanted to go over there. Glad they did this road. It's really nice and clean now. Smooth like a baby's bottom. Yes, sir. We're kind of late to the event. Check it out. Oh yeah, cars and women. That's what's out here. That car is all the way on the ground. Check it out. Yeah. Go to bikes. Run into Keith's bike. Check it out. Small crowd out here. All right, man.
Thanks, mate.
Appreciate it, bro. All right, man. Check this out. Got the Ducati Panigale V4S. Check it out. This joint is clean. Of course, got the ZX14. Got the 750, the Zook 750. Yes, sir. Check this out. Got the Triumph 600. Daytona. It's clean. And your car. Right, link to the scene. Check out this engine right here. All right, man. All right, it's your boy Hammer. We signing off, man. Thanks for rocking with my brother today. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Yeah, it's something totally different. Until next time, from me and Platinum, we out. Peace.